Today we're going to go through some animal sounds.
What sound does a chicken make?
Baka! Baka!
What sound does a horse make?
Neigh!
Again.
Neigh!
A pig. What sound does a cow make?
Moo!
What sound does a sheep make?
Ma!
An owl.
Hoot! Hoot!
Do you know what sound a hippo makes? Okay, elephant.
Moo!
Again. Lion.
Roar!
Again, nicely like a lion.
Roar!
A dinosaur. Okay, we're not really sure. What about a duck?
Quack! 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 Quack!
Right. What about a cat?
Meow! Meow!
What about a dog?
Ruff! Ruff!
Okay. Next on the list is a snow leopard.
Roar!
And the last one on the list, wolf.
Ooh! Ooh!
Let's just do the cow one more time, everyone.
Okay.
Cow.
Moo! Moo! Thank you.